Yes, they did. There's an egg right there, and it's fixed. Okay, I'm gonna go off the sands. I'm gonna go off. Never mind. Well, this is my epic house tour. Except my epic house tour is a mess, so don't mind that. Which is my parents' stuff. And that's my cup. And that's not even my mirror, but that's my grandma's mirror. That's my water bottle, or I don't even know that water bottle. That's my grandma's vase. It's epic, and that's the outside. That's the upstairs. That's that. We don't speak about that room. That's the kitchen. That's the table we barely use for lunch. That's the table we use to eat. That's a plant. That's a hallway to outside. And that's a door. And that's a closet. And near that closet is another closet. And upstairs has like 4 rooms. Nope, 5 rooms. And the epic house tour, except lazy.